Let's start with example of multiplying two-digit numbers with one-digit number. So first example is 24 into 9. So first we will do multiply 20 into 9 and then we will multiply 4 into 9. It's 180 and this is 36. So 180 plus 36, we will do addition and this is our answer. Let's see another example. 38 into 8. So first we will do 30 into 8. Why we are doing like this? Because here 3 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. So we are doing 30, 10, and 8 has no 0 because it's one place. So we are doing like this. This will help you in calculation without mistake. So you can try this in your calculation. 24, 240 and this is 64. Right here 240 and 64, this is 403. Let's see another example. 49 into 7. So 40 into 7 is 280 and 9 into 7 is 63. So here 280 and 63, it's 3, 4, 3. Let's see another example. 78 into 6. So it's 7 and here we will see 0. So 70 into 6 and it's 8 and into 6. So this is 420 and this is 48. 420, 48. This is 468. Let's see another example. 98 into 7. 90 into 7 and 8 into 7. So this is 630 and this is 56. So here 630 plus 56 is 686. I hope this video will help you in calculation and save your time. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for latest update. Thank you. Have a nice day.